Hi, this is Nancy Atterbury, and this is an Animoto tutorial. Animoto is an online video creator. It's free to use. It allows you to import images, video, and include text and music to make some professional looking videos. The free version gives you 30 seconds of video. You can also subscribe for a fee to make longer videos. Animoto does require that you create an account, and you must have an email address in order to do so. So once you created your account, you're ready to start. I recommend that even before you start building your video, that you have a plan of what you want your video to look like. That you have your images already in a folder and the videos, if any, already selected, and any text that you might want to add already mapped out. So to get started, we're going to hit the create button. The screen you see prompts you to select a style for your video, and you'll see that there are many styles available, some of which say Pro. That's if you've purchased a subscription. For our purposes, we're going to use the Animoto original theme. We're going to press that, and then it'll ask us if we want to purchase a video or if we want to make a 30-second video for free, and that's what we want to do. So we're going to select make a 30-second video for free. So here is our storyboard. This is where we're going to build our video. As you notice here, we have the total length is 0. We haven't added anything to our storyboard. On the left, you'll see your menu options. The first one, changing style, allows you to go back and to reconsider and maybe change the style or the background that you, if you want to. We're just going to keep it at Animoto original. Next option is allows you to select your pictures or import your pictures and video, and you can do so from your computer, or you could go to one of these services. For instance, you can go to Instagram, click on that, log into your Instagram account, and import pictures from your Instagram account. Or you can go to Animoto's collection. They have a library of pictures, and they also have a library for video clips that you can use to make your video. For our purposes, we are going to upload pictures from my computer. As I stated before, I created a folder. I have the pictures that I want to create in my video, so all I'm going to do is to select my pictures, and I'm going to upload them. So once I start uploading them, I will start seeing thumbnails of what the pictures are. And they should be popping up soon. There you go. Okay, all my pictures have been uploaded and are added on my storyboard, and my total video length is now 20 seconds, and I have 30 seconds. That's my maximum limit. So at this point, I could start rearranging them the way I want them to appear. So I suggest I wanted to move this, and it's basically just drag and drop, and I know that this is my final, and this one goes right here. I also, okay, I think that is how I want my pictures, I just want to move this one over to appear. This one goes here. So it's just a matter of dragging and dropping them where you want them. And I think that pretty much does it. Now I'd like to add some captions, and you can do this by actually clicking on the image, double clicking the image, and then going right to this pencil to add a caption. Wicked, the best play ever. Okay, and I want to also say a caption here. In front of the theater. Okay, so I've added some captions. Now I'd like to add some titles, and to do that I will select where I want my title to go. So I'm going to just add the text, and here it displays, gives me a space to add my titles. I have 40 characters available for a larger font and 50 characters available for a subtitle. So I'm going to say, call this My Visit to Broadway, or My Visit to New York, New York, and then I'll just say Broadway here. Now that puts it there. I want this to be my title, so I'm going to actually just move this like that. Okay. I also want to add a caption here. And I want to say, walking on Broadway to 51st Street. Okay, and I may want to add another title to, oh, and it's telling me now that my video is full, and when that happens you're going to have to make a decision, because I do want to add another title. I believe that from here to here I need something that explains it, so I am going to add another title, and I'm going to say arriving, I'm going to say Gershwin Theater, and I'm going to give the address, which is 222 West 51st Street at 8th Avenue. Okay, now once you do that, you'll see that now anything that it just arbitrarily picks something and puts it in your tray. This is your tray with images that do not fit, because we are working on the 30-second free version. So I'm going to have to make a decision, and I think what I want to do is, perhaps I have a lot of street scenes, so I might just want to take one of these out, because I do want to show the inside of the theater, which is my last screen. And to do that, I might just want to add a caption here. Call this Inside Theater. Okay. So I think my video is in pretty good shape at this point. And the next thing I want to do is add some music. Now Animoto has selected a default music, but I think I want to change that. And to change, I just clicked on it, and I want to select travel, because I was traveling, and after previewing these songs I want to make A Night in the Park my song for the video. So I just clicked on add song, and I believe this is the way I want my video to look. When I did that, it bumped out my last, it's telling me, I'm going to drag this back in here. There, that's how I want it. It's saying that it's full. I'm interested to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to preview it and see. Now the preview takes about 30 seconds, and it's going to be in a lower quality than what is actually going to be produced as a final product. I think I like that video. So I'm really happy with it. At this point, I'm going to give it a title so that I can save it. And my title is going to be my visit. I'm just going to call it my visit to Broadway. Visit, give it a descriptor to see Wicked on Broadway. And then I'm going to click on Produce. What Produce does is it actually finalizes the video, and that was quick, and now I get to see it and a much higher resolution. So I'm just going to click that. So I like it. Now it's a matter of sharing it, and I can share it through Facebook, through Twitter, I can email, and I could also click on more, and I have a link for my video. So that is perhaps the way I can just copy this link and send it out to whomever I want to share it with. So that was Animoto, and I hope you've learned something. It's a great tool, and it's easy to use.